Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2009 Hyundai Elantra GLS. Look at that. Got a fuse box here. Oh, look at that. That's a fusing. Haha. This thing, it only has 139,000 miles and is honestly in really, really good shape for what this thing is. Let's take a look in here. Oh, come on, this thing's clean. This thing hasn't even been detailed. Fuel door, it's obviously been, oh, it's been waxed at some point in its life. That's nice. Elantra badging. My first ever car was an 07 Kia Spectra. So very, very similar platform. Matter of fact, same engine, I believe. Mine didn't have a belt squeal, but other than that, it's not too bad. Let's take a look under the hood of this example. Again, never been detailed, so it's probably a thing or two under here that's gonna bite me. Oh yeah, that looks familiar. Little belt squeal, little AC refrigerant leak it looks like. Matter of fact, on my Spectra, I lost the serpentine belt on a drive one day. It completely turtled itself, flipped over, and landed right back where it was supposed to be, except upside down. Little storage cubbies, does have Bluetooth, although I think the Bluetooth option gets rid of this storage compartment because I can't open that for the life of me. Another storage compartment. You of course have your glove box. Here's the thing, 138 horsepower I think, 4-speed, automatic. E-brake doesn't really work, but this thing only weighs, the curb weight range was 2,300 to 2,700 pounds. It's a pretty lightweight car. So yeah, on paper, 138 horsepower doesn't sound like a lot. This thing can move on its own pretty well. That belt's gonna drive me nuts. As long as it doesn't flip a belt on me, I'm good. Why is it only when I'm filming is there miles of traffic? And nobody likes to drive fast. Speed limit's a suggestion. Oh, my Kia was the 5-speed, and you could get this with a 5-speed. That just added a whole element of fun to this car. You know, I really hope that's not the timing belt. Because now that I think about it, these things have variable valve timing, if I'm not mistaken. That kicks in around 5,000 where the belt stops squealing. So, that's a timing belt squealing. That's not very good. You know, I gotta say, for an 09, this thing is in spectacular condition. This interior looks new. A little bit of a brake pulsation going into the handling section. Come on, baby. Give me a little handling. Got some tire folding. Oh yeah. Oh, if I told you guys the things I did to my little Spectra. You guys would say, how on earth did that car survive? That thing took abuse. I mean, come on. If you guys are sitting here saying you were 16 years old and you didn't try to do handbrake slides or clutch dumps, if you didn't try to do that, you're lying. Come on. I had that thing for 3 years. I put that thing through so much crap. And then towards the last month of ownership, it developed an exhaust leak at the flex pipe, so it was open header for about 2 weeks before I traded it in. Oh my god, that thing sounded so bad. But come on, 16, 7, or I was 18 at the time. I think I had just turned 18 a couple months earlier. I thought that thing sounded absolutely amazing. I was driving that thing, romping on it. Oh, looking back, man, that thing sounded awful. I do miss that car. I've actually run multiple Carfaxes on that car to kind of track its progress, and up until recently that car was still driving around, and this is, oh man, we're talking 2023. I sold that thing in 2018 to get the Focus ST. Oh, that car is still kicking around. It was sold at not a salvage auction, but kind of like a junker car auction for like $900, and I was like, oh, if I had known it was for sale for $900. Keep in mind, that thing had 30,000 more miles. I traded in for $1,400. I should have kept it, man. If I couldn't come up with $1,400, man, I wish I kept that car. But putting the insurance money into it and everything, it just didn't make sense. I'm gonna make it. I made it. Oh, this brings back some nice memories. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.